Hi, this is Mahesh Kumar from Physics Department. Now I would like to tell about the topic is units and conversions. Before going to the units and conversions, the learning outcomes are: first one, define, classify, give examples, derive, and recall, convert. First of all, before going to the unit conversions, first of all we can define the physical quantity. So, what is meant by a physical quantity? So, physical quantity means the quantity which can be measurable is called as a physical quantity. For example, we can take it as a length. Length is a physical quantity which can be measurable. For example, mass. Mass is a measurable quantity. Mass is a physical quantity which can be measurable. Time. Time is a physical quantity which can be measurable. There are three types of physical quantities. That is, the length, mass, time are taken as a basic fundamental physical quantities. Here, physical quantity means the quantity which can be measurable. So again, we can classify the physical quantities. So physical quantity is classified in two types. First one, fundamental physical quantity. Second one, derived physical quantity. So fundamental physical quantity means the quantity which cannot be depends upon other physical quantities is called fundamental physical quantity. The quantities which cannot depend upon other physical quantities is called fundamental physical quantities. Derived physical quantity means the quantities which can be depends upon other physical quantities is called derived physical quantity. So how do we remember the fundamental physical quantity means? When there are two persons are writing the examination, for example, A is a topper, for example. B is also a topper. The two persons are toppers. So A and B cannot be depends upon one by one. So it can be taken as a fundamental physical quantity. For example, the fundamental physical quantities are length, mass, time. These are the basic fundamental physical quantities. Derived physical quantities. The quantities which can be depends upon other physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. For example, we can take it as A is a topper, B is a duller. That means the B is depending upon the topper. So when there are two persons are writing the examination, A person is a topper, B is a duller. So B person cannot write any point in the examination. So B can be depends upon the topper A. So the quantity which can be depends upon other quantities called derived physical quantities. For example, we can take it as a volume, area. So volume, area, density, etc. These are the derived physical quantities. So next we can derive the units and conversions. Derive the formula. So formula for physical quantity. Formula for physical quantity. So for example, taken as a length of a bench. Length of a bench is 5 centimeters. Length of a bench is 5 centimeters. In this, length can be taken as a physical quantity, 5 can be taken as a numerical value, centimeter can be taken as a unit. So physical quantity equal to numerical value into unit. So you can take it as any example. For example, length of a bench is 5 centimeters. Length is a physical quantity, 5 is a numerical value, centimeter is a unit. So physical quantity equal to numerical value into unit. From this equation, we can derive the relation between n and u. From this equation, what is the n value? N equal to pq by u. So from this equation, n is inversely proportional to 1 by u. N is inversely proportional to u. That means when the n value is increased, u value can be decreased. So from this equation, we can written as n1 by n2 equal to u2 by u1. So n2 by n1 equal to u2 by u1. So that is the relation between numerical value and unit. That is n1 by n2 equal to u2 by u1. From this equation, for cross multiply the equation, we can get the n1 u1 equal to n2 u2. That is equal to constant. So it is the formula for a physical formula for the physical quantity. So we can take another example. Height of the person is 5 feet. So height is a physical quantity. 5 is a numerical value. Feet is a unit. So from this equation, physical quantity equal to numerical value into unit. So we can take any example. The formula of the physical quantity equal to numerical value into unit. From this equation, numerical value is relation between numerical value and unit. N is inversely proportional to U, that is N1 by N2 equal to U2 by U1, that is N1 U1 equal to N2 U2, that is equal to constant. So next we can define unit. Next we can go for unit. So the definition of the unit. Unit is nothing but the standard quantity or constant quantity can be comparing with the other standard physical quantity is called unit. Unit is a very important role in our life. For example, we can go for any shop, we can bring a 2 kg of sugar, for example, 2 kg of sugar. So kg is a vital role for the physical quantity. So very important in the physical quantity. So kg is a unit. It is a not a name, it is a unit number, it is a value. So kg is a unit. Unit nothing but the standard or constant quantity can be comparing with the standard physical quantity is called as a unit. Again, unit is classified into two types. Here in some textbooks they will give two types. For the units are classified in three types. First one, fundamental unit. Second one, derived unit. Third one, supplementary unit. Supplementary units. So fundamental unit means the units of a fundamental physical quantity is called fundamental units. Derived units means the units of a derived quantity is called derived units. Supplementary units are nothing. There are two types of supplementary units: plane angle and solid angle. The units of the plane angle is radian. Radian. The unit of the solid angle is steradian. Steradian. The supplementary quantities are two types. Fundamental quantities are 7 types, but the derived units are not classified. There are so many types. So the fundamental units are classified in 7 types. The supplementary units are basically 2 types. There are 7 are the length. First one is the length. Second one, mass. Third one, time. Fourth one, electrical current. Electrical current. Next one, amount of substance. Amount of, first one, length, mass, time, electrical current, amount of substance, temperature. Length, mass, time and electrical current and amount of substance and temperature. So the unit of length is meters. Mass is kg, time is seconds, electrical current is amperes, amount of substance is mole, temperature is Kelvin. So electrical current is ampere. So there are the 7 types of the fundamental units. First one, length, mass, time, so electrical current. Next one, amount of substance and temperature and electrical current. These 3 are the fundamental units. Electrical current units is amperes. So these are the units, types of the units. Luminous intensity. So candela. Luminous intensity means candela. So next, we can convert the one unit to another unit. So first of all, we can know about the basic terms. So first of all, write the prefix. So before going to the conversions, we can know about the multiples and submultiples. We can know about the multiples and submultiples. Multiples and submultiples. So multiples are nothing but the positive powers of a 10. For example, 10 power 20. To find out the distance between the larger cities. For example, we can find out the distance between Delhi and Mumbai. So we can using the larger distance, that is nothing but multiples. To find out the distance between the stars and earth, we can use them as a multiples. So submultiples are nothing but negative powers of a 10 are called as a submultiples. So we can find out the thickness of a rubber, thickness of a eraser or thickness of a pencil. We can using as a submultiples. Before going to the conversion, we can know about the multiples and submultiples. Multiples are nothing but we can find out the distance between the larger cities or distance of stars and earth. We can using as a multiples. Submultiples means we can find out the smaller distances. We can using as a submultiples. So next final topic is conversion. So conversion is very important. So many of them are difficult to convert the unit from one unit to another unit. So we can using as this simple technique. First of all, we can written as a prefix. Prefix, symbol. Prefix, symbol, number. So first of all, that is tera, giga, mega. It is a basic value. Basic, deci, centi, and milli. So this base unit is nothing but 10 power 0. Base can be taken as a 10 power 0. Mega can be taken as a 10 power 6. Giga can be taken as a 10 power 9. Tera can be taken as a 10 power 12. Symbol means T, G, M. The left side of the basic are capital letters. That means it has positive values. The right side, this side is a negative values. That is deci means 10 power minus 1. Centi means 10 power minus 2. Milli means 10 power minus 3. Micro means 10 power minus 6. So in this way we can convert the units from one place to another place.